Yep. Cutting them, the phantom woods. Cutting this phantom wood. Damn, it's taking a while. I might have to use an auto clicker. I don't want to keep pressing my mouse often. Oh, there you go. Alright, we're gonna put this one right here. Oh, goodness. There you go. Oh, crap. Yeah, big piece. Ah, amazing. I don't know if I want to keep on this collection. Or, nah. Probably someone might push it. Yeah, big ones will go first. Okay, let me see. Ah, crap. How can I tell if which is which? Alright, this will do then. In case some of them might not be edible. I'll just sell them then. The heck? I'm just hunk in real life. Around this time. In my neighbor. Man, it's a lot of crazy drivers at night. Oh, there you go. Perfect. That was a hit or miss. Good to put this here. This should be fine. Oh, yeah, look at all of them guys. Ha! You know, let me just keep this one. I'll put one right here. I think I want to use them for decoration. Or maybe I can use them for cabinets. Yeah. I got a bunch of axes that I got from my friend Anthony. I don't know if these are worth though, but it's worth a shot though. Let's see. It has to be worth something. Come on, please, 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 please. Ah, nope. Okay, guess not. Oh, what? This one worked. All right, let me try again. I want everything to be in planks. Nope, I guess not, guys. Alright, this one's gonna be on sale. You know, I should like do a test, like if I can use like a mini-axe. I can definitely get my mini-axe then. Alright, let's go test out that theory. I mean, I already know it, but I want to test it for me. This is my first time. So let me see. So let me try to cut it here. Oh yeah, see? I guess you can't. Okay. So, yep. That's what happens, guys, if you don't have the NX. Okay, let me just put this away first. I'm gonna put this on one. There you go. So I guess that's what happens. Okay. First time happening about that too. Woo! Oh, small ones, but yeah, still worth. This one I'm gonna sell. Come on, man. Oh, the lag. The heck? No, 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 no. The lag in this game. Oh, okay, okay, no. Oh man, I thought I wanted to. Now I'll just cut it here. Might as well, guys. Whatever. I'm gonna get them in the sawmill. All of them. It was good that I got it. I got on the another trailer. Just have to move it. Oh yeah. Oh whoa whoa whoa. Alright, there you go. That's worth. Dang, so many cutting. Too much to do. Okay, alright, perfect. Maybe here. We're just sending you guys in real life. That'll be relaxing, like after I'm done with the lab. After I'm done. I'm so tired. I don't know why I'm doing this. Because I'll definitely go back again. Let's see if this is worth as well. Please work, please work. Wait, maybe not. Oh, yes! It worked! Nice. Alright. This is a good way to cut it between here, guys, so all of them will come out all at once. Just like this, guys. See? This has to work. I mean, it's big. Yep. Perfect. Woo! Still got quite a bit. Oh, this one. Let me go check out what's in there. Kind of curious. Man, the design though, I like it. Huh, yeah. Look at all those wood there. Yeah, I still have my gold. Heh. You can definitely go there now, since I finished it today. You know, if I do finish the first layer, the second is easier. Because I do got the hang of building the bridge now. Because like the first time, like I started doing it, I was kind of like stressed out, but I got the hang of it now, guys. So, I don't know. I'm still thinking about if I want to do it or not. Build like to Palm Island, get those palm trees. I do it or not? I don't know. Oh, okay, it worked. It worked. Look how thin that is. Okay. One more time. If this doesn't work, I'm gonna might as well sell it again. Sell it for here. Sell the remaining ones. Oh, yep, I guess not. Alright, we're gonna sell this. Sunny D. Got it from Dollar Tree, by the way. Everything's $1. There's a store though. Everything you can buy is $1. $1 chicken burger, $1 bag of French fries. Oh yeah. Huh, I don't know why it's kind of laggy. All right. More trimming. I wish it was faster though, but I guess it's not. There's no way. Okay, perfect. Oh, dang, thin. You know, let me just keep that and I'll put it here. Or let me take this one and alright, put it there. I want to put the big ones up there. Alright, okay, let me think. I could probably get one and then I'll just add it.